Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video we will discuss about the logical operator in Python. In the last video we discussed about the relational operators and we did some programs and did some scenarios. I hope you got the clarity about the relational operator in Python. If you haven't watched it, please do watch. Don't forget to subscribe my channels and click the bell icon for the future updates. So let's begin today's topic, the logical operator in Python. Logical operator used to combine two or more conditions. Logical operator mainly used in if, else block. Logical operator always return true or false. There is three operators and or not. When we are using AND operator, if all the conditions are true, then it will return true. If any condition got false, then it will return false. When we are using OR operator, if any condition is true, then it will return true, otherwise false. When we are using NOT, that means it's a reverse of the boolean. Let's discuss about the AND operator. So now we can see here there is two condition A and B. If A is true and B is true, then it will return true. If A is true, B is false, then it will return false. If A is false and B is true, then it will return false. If A is false, B is false, then it will return false. That means if A and B both condition is true, then it will return true. Other than all condition, it will return false. Let's discuss about the OR operator. So you can see here them taking here the two conditions A and B. If A is true, B is true, then it will return true. If A is true, B is false, then it will return true. If A is false, B is true, then it will return true. If A is false, B is false, then it will return false. So if any condition is true, then it will return true. If all the condition false, then it will return false. Now let's discuss about the NOT. NOT just reverse the boolean result. If you got true, that means returning false. If got false, then returning true. Let's do some programs on logical operators. So I'm creating here some scenarios. So you can see here, let's see about the AND operator. So you can see here A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6. I'm defining here the two variables. I'm just checking here A is greater than 2 and B is greater than 2. A A value is 5, 5 is greater than 2, that means true, and B is greater than 2, B's value is 6, B is 6 is greater than 2, that means true, true and true, then it will return true. False and true, then we get false. So now let's do for the OR operator. So I'm creating here the two variables C is equal to 10, D is equal to 20. So you can just I'm checking here the same thing. C is greater than 5 or D is greater than 25. Okay, so C is greater than 5, that one is the true. And this one is a false. True or false? True. C is greater than 15, false. D is greater than 25, false. False, false, it will return false. Now let's run this program so we can see the result. Python, and you can do practice in your system and see. If you have any doubt or questions, please add your comments. I will solve your problems as soon as possible. Please like my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.